Good morning, class 11 C and D. Welcome back to our literature period. In our literature period, today I am going to give you the question answer of talking about the test. So बच्चों, आज मैं आपको talking about the test के question answer देने जा रहे हैं. Talking about the test. Question answer है talking about the test. Talking about the test के questions. हाँ तो बच्चों राइट डाउन करिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखिए. डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस विद योर पार्टनर. लिखिए डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस विद योर पार्टनर. विद योर पार्टनर फुल स्टॉप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट डिफरेंस did you notice? What difference did you notice between the reaction of the adult and the children? Between the reaction of the adults and the children when faced with danger. When faced with danger. When faced with danger. डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस विद योर पार्टनर. ये आपने लिखा, उसके लिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है. व्हाट डिफरेंस डिड यू नोटिस बिटवीन द रिएक्शन ऑफ द एडल्ट्स एंड द चिल्ड्रन व्हेन फेस द डेंजर. आंसर लिखिए. व्हाइल फेसिंग द डेंजर. व्हाइल फेसिंग द डेंजर्स कमा द एडल्ट्स. व्हाइल फेसिंग द डेंजर्स कमा द एडल्ट्स reacted. The adults reacted that end was near. Reacted that the end was near. Full stop. When flood water was coming. When flood water was coming on a shop. On a shop. Full stop. Mary was an adult woman. Mary was an adult. ADULT. Mary was an adult woman. WNL. Woman. Screaming while. Screaming. SCREAMING. Screaming while sinking into the water. Screaming while sinking. SINKING. Sinking into the water. Full stop. The desk of the boat was smashed. The desk of the boat was smashed. 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 And the boat was filled with water. And the boat was filled with water. Boat was filled with water. इसके बाद आइए फुल स्टॉप. पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए. द कैप्टन थॉट दैट. द कैप्टन थॉट दैट ही वुड गेट इट. दैट ही वुड गेट इट कॉमा रिपेयर्ड कॉमा अदरवाइज दे वुड श्योरली. अदरवाइज they would surely sink. Otherwise they would surely sink. Full stop. The adults were pumping the water. The adults were pumping the water of the ship. The adults were pumping the water of the ship due to fear. Due to fear. Full stop. But on the contrary, 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 comma, children reacted boldly. Children reacted boldly. Full stop. SU S कैपिटल में रहेगा, नाम है. S फुल स्टॉप के बाद SU is Sue was one of them who had been alarmingly स्पेलिंग हम बोलना है ALARMINGLY alarmingly wounded 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 full stop. She had to दो अलग she had TWO2 narrow slitted eyes narrow NARRW narrow slitted SUITED slitted eyes full stop. She had a deep cut on her arm. She had a deep cut on her arm ARM full stop. When the author asked Sue about her injuries, comma, she told that she was going to save all of them. She was going to save them all. Paragraph change करिए. The situation was critical, comma, when the captain went into the ship. Okay. The situation was critical, comma, when the captain went into the ship to give relief to the children. Full stop. John told that we were not afraid of dying. If we could be all together, full stop. Author determined to face the strong sea waves. The author determined to face the strong sea waves with everything he had. Full stop. Everything he had. आगे लिखिए. Sue had also drawn 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 cartoonist pictures, CARTOONIST cartoonist pictures of Mary and author. Full stop. This caricature thanked us. Thanked us, hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. बच्चे देखिए इसको आंसर हम आपको बता रहे हैं आंसर. While facing the danger, the adults reacted that the end was near. When flood water was coming on our shop, Mary was an adult woman screaming while sinking into the water. The deck of the boat was smashed and the boat was filled with water. The captain thought that he would get it repaired.